Georg, I have another way if you want.
Huh?
Do you know this way?
Yes, I know. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Taylor already work here. Good. So it's Taylor. Excuse me, at what time you start work? From what time you start work?
10.
From 10 to
7.
from 10 to 7. Okay, thank you.
Basura.
Basura. Welcome to the jungle, Georgi. Or not, garbage. Dress for girl dress also here. This backside of JJ Market. This JJ. So nighttime you walk in same way,
No.
Different.
Not this road.
but also it's not
No, not.
it's not safety also nighttime.
Nighttime I don't walk.
Mhm.
Daytime.
Daytime only. No, daytime safety of course. Yes, this water is dirty. Georgi, two girls asking massage.
How much they pay?
You ask? You ask, maybe they pay. You can do massage for girls.
Internal massage.
Okay. Street food. What is? Amigo street food. Premium KTV. How is premium? Kingdom. Also massage. It's Korean restaurant. I never been. You been in before or not? Wait, I take a look only. 24 hours open. 24. Don't have people. Maybe weekend only. Окей. Midnight Rodeo. Midnight Rodeo. Ah, live band. Hi? Okay. So many foods here. Gold, so many gold. Wine bar. Really bar? Or not? Ah, this is bar? Is bar or not? Wine bar. Krishna Place. Ah, it's Indian restaurant. I've been before. Yeah, Indian.
She tell you hello
Ага,
when she look your camera,
ага.
hide her face.
Hide face?
Uh-huh.
Hide, it's okay. Ah, also good hotel. Porsche. So a shortcut road you walk before night time. Here.
Not in that.
But
not
the
in
same
the
same
last
same
time.
road. Same road. What is this? Wait, Georgi, I want to check. What is this? Ah. Philippine people live here. Here. Another road. Ага.
You cannot go.
It's okay, we can walk also. This is Penthouse Hotel. Backside of Penthouse Hotel.